Namaskar, myself Dr. Kamla R. Nagar, Professor and Head, Department of Dravaguna, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to share my lecture on Brahmi or Bacopa Monieri. Content of the lecture are general introduction, in which we will study Latin name and family, morphology, properties, useful part and doses, and Ayurvedic preparations of Brahmi. Bacopa Monieri or Brahmi is a very well-known medicinal herb. Brahmi is used for centuries to improve mental health, intellect, and memory. It is a highly effective brain tonic. Bacopa is commonly used for Alzheimer's disease for improving memory and anxiety. This is the picture of Brahmi. Plant is a short duration annual herb, frequent in moist habitat and water edges. Bacopa is a succulent, glabrous, creeping herb with rooting at nodes. The plant is easily recognized by its spreading habits, sessile and fleshy leaves, and light bluish, purple or white flowers. Leaves are ovate and opposite with dotted lower surface. Capsule is ovoid in shape, acute, two-groove and two-wall with numerous seeds that are very minute, pale and irregular. Latin name of Brahmi is Bacopa Monieri. Family is Scrophulariaceae. Sanskrit name is Brahmi or Saraswati. English name is thyme-limbed gratiola. Hindi name is Brahmi or Jal neem. Ayurvedic properties of Brahmi are: in Ras it is Tikta Kashaya, in Gun it is Laghu, in Virya it is Sheet, its Vipak is Madhur, Prabhav is Medhya, Dosh Karm is Kaf Vat Shamak. Parts to be used for medicinal purpose are Panchang, whole plant. Dose is 1 to 3 gram in powder form. Therapeutic properties of Brahmi are: Brahmi is an intellect promoter, hypotensive, and neuropathic sedative drug. It is a potent tonic used to improve mental alertness, learning performance, and memory, as well as in the treatment of insomnia. It also has antioxidant, adaptogenic, astringent, diuretic, sedative, and nootropic actions. Shows significantly improvement in memory, acquisition, and retention in older age group. Brahmi is also useful in nervous disorders, bronchitis, fever, swelling, abdominal pain, and flatulence. Brahmi has stomachic, rejuvenative, anti-epileptic, antipyretic, and analgesic activities. It is a brain and nervine rasayan. It is effective against aging of brain, memory loss, mental confusion, epilepsy, mental retardation, etc. Bacopa is a brain stimulant, cures anxiety and tension, improves memory, and rejuvenator for the brain. It is the principal ingredient of classical Ayurvedic preparations like Brahmi Gharat and Brahmi Rasayan. Brahmi has laxative, astringent, brain tonic, memory enhancing, and longevity promoting properties. It is indicated in mental retardation, poor memory, epilepsy, insanity, and neurosis, leprosy, renal diseases, blood diseases, poisoning, and cough, for improving memory, intellect, and mental function. It is also anti-anxiety agent, brain and nervine tonic, and rasayan, improves cognitive and neurological functions. This is the market preparations available of Brahmi. Thanks to share your time with me. If you find any difficulty to understand the topic, please comment in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you once again.